anyone drive in the snow? Does anyone have experience in snowy countries? You know how when it's so slushy, you get stuck. Oh, we're just gonna go around this lake. But yeah, it's really, really slushy, which makes it just difficult on this, like, on this first climb. But yeah, the PSI is at 5, going down to 4. So when we get out, make sure you check out how flat the tires look. And you can probably see there's little rocks everywhere, little black rocks. But what you don't know, maybe, is that they are actually ash cones. So what happens when there's the ash from Langjökull, that's all over the glacier. Sometimes the wind will blow it around, of course, as wind can move boulders. But when enough ash gets stuck together, it's kind of like wet coffee grounds, and it will actually make this hat, which prevents the ice from melting all around. And then, so soon these are going to stand like a meter tall, and we'll be able to walk around them, and they'll have these little black hats, and there'll be these blue cones. So that they're not rocks, they're all cones. And we saw them last year, and now as the melt is happening, they're starting to all show up again.